Hi, it's Juvian Education. If you're new to our channel, click the subscribe button and you'll get to enjoy our educational videos for free. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified for new videos. For this video, I'm gonna show you 5 interactive PowerPoint activities you can do to develop basic mathematical skills to your learners. At the end of the video, I'm gonna put the link of these 5 interactive activities which you can download. If you're interested, keep on watching. The first activity is called drag and drop activity. Basically, the learners will click on the objects that they will drag going to another position just like this. For this game, they will learn how to count objects with one-to-one correspondence, and on the basket, they will write or type the total number of objects they have dragged and dropped. Let's try. The next one is called Shape Cover All. They're gonna drag the shapes on the left here to the right and cover the tile that is the same as the shape on the left. It will surely help with their visual perception. Next one is called sorting game. With the 2 boxes labeled with color, they will put all the green objects to the box with the green label. Same is true with the box with the yellow label. This will also teach them to be organized. Now let's collect all the yellow objects going to the box. Green objects going to the box. This one is called pulling the strings. The learner will pull the string and connect it to the correct number corresponding to the one on the top, just like this. This one is called click and slide. It's an addition activity. They will basically click on the correct answer and slide it back to complete the number sentence. I hope you liked our video for today, and as promised, I'm gonna share you the activities that I made for today. The link is on the description box. Thanks for watching, and I hope you share this to your colleagues and friends. Bye!